Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, here's a quick and easy way to get 2 looks from one box. Stay tuned. So y'all, the holidays are right around the corner, and we're going to be looking for awesome ways to present items that we might be giving as gifts. And because we're crafters, we're going to make those items ourselves, and we want them to be fun, quick, and easy. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. And welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. And thank you guys so much for the positive ways in which you are supporting me and my channel. I really do appreciate it, and I especially appreciate the positive support that you give to me in the comments. In a previous video, we took one sheet of 12 by 12 and we were able to make 4 card bases from that one sheet. And in that video, I showed you a box that I made for these cards, and I'm going to show you how we can take that box, get 2 looks from what is basically one design. So I'll give you a closer look in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. And so y'all, here's a closer look at the box we're going to be making. When finished, the box measures 6 1/4 by 4 1/2, and it is 1 inch deep. And we're going to make this box, and then I'm going to show you how with just a slight change, you can make the same box, but you can make it look just a little bit different. So here's what you're going to need to make it. So you're only going to need 1 piece of 12 by 12 cardstock, and I am using a heavyweight for this because I want the box to be very sturdy. But you can use a medium weight to make this box as well. And I do have 2 pieces of 12 by 12 out because I'm going to use one of them to show you how we can take this and just tweak it slightly to make it look a little bit differently. So to score, let's score at 1, at 5 1/2, at 6 1/2, and at 11. Then we're going to rotate it 12-inch side that we haven't scored yet, and we're going to make a score at 1, at 7 1/4, and at 8 1/4. And then we are going to fold and burnish all of our scores. And for some of you, this might be a pretty basic project, but we do have a lot of newbies to paper crafting on my channel. And from time to time, we are going to make some very simple and quick crafts that they can make along with us. So you can probably get an idea of how thick this paper is. And I can't remember where I got this paper. I might have gotten it from Hobby Lobby a few years back. I truly don't remember, but I only have a few sheets. I have maybe 5 or 6 sheets of each color left, but it is a very, very thick cardstock, perfect for box making. So now that we have it like this, we are going to go ahead and remove the corner piece here at the bottom. So let's just remove one corner piece. Then we're going to go along the bottom and just angle to notch out. So we're notching at the tabs, and we'll do the same thing here. Then I'm just going to go up to the second score mark and drag straight down to free the center tab. And I'll do the same thing over here to free these tabs, and we'll do the same thing over here. So then where we have removed this piece, we're also going to go ahead and remove these 2 pieces. So then I'm going to take this piece and I'm just going to angle in a little bit on both sides. And I angled there because I don't want it hitting the score marks because we are going to fold that over. So I'm going to take my tape runner. You can do this with glue as well, but I'm just going to use my tape runner for this part of the project. And I'm going to fold that over and we're going to get it stuck. Then I'm just going to take this piece and move it out the way for just a minute because we want to go ahead and reduce these two pieces in size. So right now your piece is going to look like this. So then I'm going to take my finger blade or your scissors, whatever you're using, and I'm just going to angle in a little bit there and there. And so now we can put the box together. So I'm just going to take my glue and add some glue right there. And I'm going to take this and just match it like that. And if you want to make sure that you have it nice and even, just take this flap right here and fold it in. That will help you to get it nice and even. So now I'm just going to open it like this because I have myself a cute little flat fold. And I'm going to get that nice and stuck. And so now we can take the bottom, we're going to fold in, add some glue, fold in that back piece, add some more glue, and then fold over like that. And so now we have this top piece that's going to fold over. But before I fold over, I'm just going to round that a little bit because I like how it looks. So now we can just take that and we can fold this over. And there is one take on that box. So you can see that this style is just like this style. I'm going to decorate this in just a minute, but now I'm going to show you how one little step will change the look of this box. So now we're going to take this beautiful teal color and we're going to score it in an almost identical method to the first one with one slight tweak. So let's go ahead and score at 1, at 5.5, at 6.5, and at 11. And then we're going to turn it once, and we're going to score at 1 and at 7.25. And that's the only score we're going to make. Remember, on the last one we scored at 7.25 and then we scored at 8.25. We're not going to do that on this one. And so now we are going to fold and burnish all of our scores. And just like with before, we're going to remove a corner piece. So I am just going to remove this corner piece here at the bottom. Then I'll go across the bottom to free my tabs. And then we'll turn it here because we're going to remove this long piece here. So I am going to go ahead and just remove it. And then I'm going to cut where I have a score mark. And I'll cut all the way down because we want to free these long skinny tabs here. So there's one. And then we want to free this one. Now I'm going to go ahead and just remove these all together. On that first one, we actually reduced them like that. But this time we're going to go ahead and remove them. So now your piece should look like this. And you're going to have an adhesive flap here. And you'll know it's the adhesive flap because you have the bottom notched out. So I'm going to go ahead and just angle in a little bit here and here and And again, I did that angle so that when I fold over, it won't hit the score marks. I'm going to take my tape runner, add some tape, fold that over, and get it nice and stuck. Then we're going to put the box together the same way that we did the red one. So I am just going to take my glue, place my glue on the glue flap, and we're going to join these two together. So I'll bring that side over, match it, and I want to make sure that I'm matching it so that my tops match. I'm going to take my big old spatula, get that nice and stuck, and you guys can see that we are making flat fold boxes before we actually seal them with glue at the bottom. So by doing this, you can make up a bunch of these and just have them ready to go whenever you feel like it. So all you would need to do is just open it and then start sealing the base. So I am going to fold in, add my glue there, a little bit right there. Close it, add some glue on this, and fold over. And I'll just run this along my desk to make sure that I have a nice stick. And so it looks like this. We're simply going to take this and pinch in just a little bit on the side. And now you can fold over and you're going to have a nice little bag like this. But first, I'm going to round again like that. And you can see where I've pinched in on the side. And now I'm going to take another Velcro dot. We're going to peel away the backer. Go ahead and get that stuck. And so now we're able to take it and just bring it over the top like that. And now you see we have this look versus this look. So if you wanted to with this one, you can actually add a handle and give this a little bit of a purse look. But this will hold the envelopes as well as the cards. So there are my envelopes and my cards on the inside. I'll just fold over, and now I have another beautiful gift that I can give to someone. We're going to decorate very quickly, and then we'll call it a wrap. All right, y'all, so I'm going to use these little embellishment pieces that I have, and I'm just going to take this one, which is the sweetest little Santa, and I'm going to add some tape to the back, because I'm not going to bring this all the way down. I'm going to take it, and we're going to put it right there. And if you want, you can decorate yours even more. But the whole process video was about how to get two looks from basically one box style. So we're going to take this one, and I have these decorative pieces as well, and they're both stickers. So I'm going to take the one that says Peace and Joy, and I could pop this up with some pop dots, but I think I'm just going to leave it. And then I'm just going to take my finger blade and just very carefully cut through so that I can peel away the top portion of the sticker, but I don't want to peel away the bottom portion because I want to leave that on. So we're just going to peel that like that. And now I can take this and we're just going to put it down right there. So when you open it, you can open it like that, and then you're able to reseal it. So now if you need some card boxes in a hurry, and let's say you're giving cards to two people at the same time, you can do a variation on the box style so that they're getting the same but different. So if you're new to paper crafting, this is definitely something that you can do. If you're more experienced, go ahead and add a few tweaks to it and turn it into something else that you might want it to be. But here's a great beginning for those of you who might want to make some of the simplest of boxes for your A2 size cards. Guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, Be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.